Kelsey the Great.
There you go. Perfect. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Name's Kessie. I am so excited. I'm gonna be building my first gaming PC. And I have all the components ordered except one part that's still gonna be coming in. Amazon. Where my stuff at? Anyway, I'm going to be doing some unboxing videos on the different components of the computer and then doing a final build and record the entire thing and post it on here. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for great content coming up. Thanks for watching. Let's get to unboxing. here is the moment of truth. I've got it plugged in. It goes. The build is not complete yet. I still need a SATA data cable, waiting for my RAM to come in as well, but looks like everything is working as it should. Fan spinning, RGB lights changing, so I'm excited for my first build. I don't smell any smoke, there's no fire. I think I did pretty good, if I do say so myself. It's not too loud, if you can hear it.